Hello, learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar. I'm overwhelmed by the response which I got for the previous video, where I shared the opening for junior SR role in Microsoft. I got tons of messages for WhatsApp, Discord, and LinkedIn from different folks saying that they were not aware about such opening and they were particularly not aware or sure about whether Microsoft hired junior SRE role as well. And that's a gap we are bridging with this new series where I'm going to share the lot of openings for the DevOps and SRE candidates. Only thing I expect is that your support and love for these videos. So I'll also get motivated to share more and more openings. Okay. So with that thought, let's get started. For today's video, I'm going to share or talk about one of the cloud native startup, which is hiring for not one, not two, but five different roles. About SRE, DevOps, and some specialist role, I'm going to talk and break down the JD and how to apply for those roles, how to ask for the referral, and whom to reach out to get shortlisted, how to work on your resume, everything which I can help you to get shortlisted or get this role. Yeah, okay. So without ado, let's get started. So today we are going to talk about the cloud native startup called CloudDraft. CloudDraft is a dynamic and forward-thinking company. They are specialized in cloud native and cutting-edge AI solutions. They thrive for the creativity, collaboration, and innovation, empowering their team to solve complex challenges, deliver impactful results. I have been following CloudDraft for a couple of years now, and I know that they are doing really great. Someone who is working in CloudDraft will definitely get to work on very complex and relevant challenges. So they are hiring for five different roles. Let's talk about the first role, which is site reliability engineer role. They're looking for someone who can immediately join them, who can design, build, and maintain their infrastructure and internal tooling, work with the engineering teams, someone who have experience with Kubernetes, Argo CD, cloud platforms such as AWS, GCP, or Azure. Uh, so a couple of things they're looking for Kubernetes, for someone who have good experience with the Kubernetes, hands-on knowledge on the Argo CD, cloud knowledge, AWS, GCP, Azure, programming knowledge on the Golang, CI/CD knowledge, and familiarity with monitoring tools and the logging tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, and Loki. So this role requires 2+ years of experience with all these skill set, and the best part is CloudDrive provides the remote work, so you can freely work from anywhere. They also provide good medical insurance. The work-life balance is very amazing. You will work with very talented people, so that is why I have picked up this company and sharing this opportunity for my learners. The next role is database engineers. If you have good experience with the Postgres ClickHouse, if you can troubleshoot and resolve database performance issues, maintain the high availability and the integrity issues for the database, if you can help them to contribute for the data modeling and schema designing, documentation and implementation, that's what they are looking for. Please make sure if you are a database expert and particularly if you have the Kubernetes and Golang knowledge, then this is the perfect role for you. The next role is SRE Observability Specialist. This role requires observability expertise on the OpenTelemetry, Vector, Fluentd, LGTM stack, Vectormetrics, Thenos, ClickHouse, or Synos. You should have the deep understanding of the service reliability KPIs and the metrics. You should have the good experience with Kubernetes and cloud and Golang. So these are a couple of skill sets they are looking for. The next role is DevOps Intern. If you are someone who is just graduated or going to graduate next year, then this role is for you. You will get chance to work on the setting up and maintaining CI/CD pipeline, doing automation, writing automation, monitoring and troubleshooting system performance, conduct research, or doing POCs. Okay. The last role is bring your own role, which which is new thing for me as well. And I'm very surprised and thankful for CloudRaft to coming with such a new innovative idea where they're giving a chance to talented professionals who don't quite fit into the traditional job description, but someone who is very passionate about technology and creative. They can bring their own role. They are looking for innovators, tech enthusiastic, creative minds, data gurus, product experts, and operations and support people. How to apply for this? Either you can directly go to the CloudRAF career site and apply through CloudRAF career site opening. They have a couple of openings like this we discussed, bring your own role, database engineer, DevOps internship, SRE, and SRE observability specialist. The next thing which I'm going to share is that you can reach out to Anjul, who is a founder and CEO. You can reach out to Ananya or Sumeda. Both of them are recruiters for the Cloud Draft and they are very active on LinkedIn. Or you can reach out to Anish, who was the intern in Cloud Draft, and with his great performance, he has got PPO and now site reliability engineer at Cloud Draft. So you can reach out to these folks over LinkedIn. They will, if your profile is good, they will definitely consider you for the interview. The last tip from me is that make sure you spend some time learning, mastering this tool stack, Kubernetes, Terraform, CI/CD, then observability stack, Golang before going for the interview. And they are going to check you on this skill set only. The pay is good. They offer the starting package from the 6 LPA, and it can increase as well based on your interview performance. So I think in this current market, 6 LPA for the fresher is good to start with. And yeah, the interview process is very simple. There will be one screening round with the recruiter, then hiring manager round, then you will have the technical discussion where maybe you'll uh, get asked to code with a technical panel, and there will be panel discussion as well, and final recruited discussion for the salary. So those are the simple standard, rounds for any company, and that's what CloudRAF is following. And I believe with whatever the challenges we have solved till now with our season one challenges, we have already covered everything which is required for this role. And if you are someone who is expert in this area, make sure you apply. Don't miss out on this opportunity. And remember that your resume should align with the JD to get shortlisted. Don't add too many projects which are irrelevant. Focus on 2 to 3 good projects while applying for this role, um, and that should be enough for you to get shortlisted. If you have any question, you can reach out to me over Discord or LinkedIn. I'll be happy to help you out. Or you can join our weekly community call, which happens every Sunday, 9 p.m. IST, and you can interact with me and other community members directly, ask your questions. Okay, so that is it. That is all what I wanted to cover in this video, and I'm sure you will show support for these videos so I can come up with more and more good job opportunities. Not only that, I will cover the interview preparation, interview tips, and how to answer some of the complex questions during your interview. So keep sharing your support, share, like, share, subscribe this video with your friends, and let's help community to grow together. Thank you very much for listening to me till the end. See you soon.